The launch of the iPhone 15 hasn't been without its troubles for Apple. Although most of the problems with the iPhone 15 have been addressed in some way or another, a new issue has recently come to light that could be more challenging to resolve. Both the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max have encountered some difficulties out of the box this year. Some devices in the 15 Pro series had misaligned displays that didn't perfectly match the edges of the handset. A tweet from a source named TANSAFTECH has brought attention to a concerning rumor regarding image retention problems on the 15 Pro Max handsets. This information originated from discussions on both Reddit and Apple's own forums. While it remains uncertain how widespread this issue is, and for other users on Reddit have reported problems, indicating that it may not be limited solely to the larger 6.7 and Pro Max model. Reportedly, the device is facing screen burn and problems, which adds to the increasing number of issues the company has encountered this year. Screen burning occurs when an image remains on the screen for long, even when you're not actively using the device. This issue is more common with displays. It can affect the 15 Pro Max as well. Interestingly, some iPhone owners who experience burning have shared their concerns on Reddit. One particular post caught my attention as it showcased an image of the keyboard complete with letters on each key on screen. The Redditor who encountered this keyboard burn and issue mentioned that Apple would replace the device. It appears to be in problem. With only about 5 reports so far, nevertheless, it is indeed a concern to the 15 Pro Max model that previous generations haven't encountered burning. Typically starts as image retention, which manifests as a ghost image displaying a screen over time. This issue usually fades away. However, it's crucial to power off your iPhone. If you notice image retention, to prevent it from developing into burn in certain apps that display content or have elements that remain unchanged for periods, like Google Maps, are more likely to contribute to screen burning. Nonetheless, it takes an amount of time for screen burning to occur, suggesting that iPhones experiencing this problem may have a manufacturing defect. In either case, Apple should replace the affected device, since this is a hardware matter and cannot be resolved through software updates. New iPhone 15 Pro Max units come with a 1-year warranty, so if your phone has burning issues, you can seek assistance at the Genius Bar in your Apple Store or contact them directly for guidance. Have you also encountered problems with your 15 Pro Max? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to follow our channel for more updates. See you in the next one. Peace out.